Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious and crisp radish pickles. This simple guide will walk you through each step, from selecting the perfect radishes to creating a flavorful brine and properly jarring your finished product. You'll learn how to prepare the radishes, mix the pickling solution with precise measurements, and store your pickles for optimal taste. Get ready to enjoy a vibrant, tangy, and easy-to-make condiment that adds a delightful crunch to any meal. First, let's prepare our radishes. Choose about 1 pound of fresh, firm radishes, ensuring they are free from any soft spots or blemishes. Give them a good wash under cool running water to remove any dirt. Next, carefully trim off the small root end and the leafy stem end from each radish. Finally, using a sharp knife or a mandoline, slice the radishes into uniform rounds, approximately 1/8 of an inch thick. Consistency and thickness helps with even pickling. Now, let's create the flavorful pickling brine. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil, stirring continuously until both the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove the brine from the heat and allow it to cool slightly. This prevents cooking the radishes when you pour it. Finally, it's time to jar your delicious radish pickles. Tightly pack the prepared radish slices into clean, sterilized glass jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Carefully pour the slightly cooled pickling brine over the radishes, ensuring they are fully submerged. Tap the jars gently to release any air bubbles. Securely seal the jars with their lids and transfer them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, allow the pickles to marinate for at least 24 hours before enjoying. They will keep well for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.